Hello friends, and welcome to our channel. In today's guide, we will show you step-by-step how to download and install Zoom. Zoom is a popular video conferencing tool that allows you to connect with others remotely. Let's get started. Open your browser on your PC, and in the search section, type Zoom Download. When the new page opens, click on the Download Center for Zoom apps and plugins. Then, on the new page, you will accept all cookie requests, and then go to the Zoom Workplace desktop app and click on Download. You can see in the upper right corner of the screen how the Zoom application has been downloaded. Clicking on the download icon will open a window where you will click on the folder next to the Zoom application that was downloaded. By opening the folder, click on Zoom Installer Full, and then when a new window opens, click on Run. Zoom will start to install where you can see. And then click Done. And that is that. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded and installed Zoom. Now you are ready to start connecting with others via video conferencing. If you liked the video, please like us and follow us for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.